Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how instant soup is made. First, understand that instant soup provides a remarkably convenient meal, often ready in just a few minutes. The core idea is to offer a quick, satisfying option by simply adding hot water. This convenience is achieved through a clever combination of dehydrated food components and a specially formulated powdered flavor base, all designed for rapid rehydration and taste. The first crucial step involves dehydrating the key ingredients, such as vegetables, noodles, and sometimes small pieces of meat. This process removes nearly all water content, typically reducing moisture to less than 5%. Freeze-drying is a common technique, preserving the food's structure and nutritional value. This extensive dehydration is essential for preventing spoilage and ensuring the soup remains fresh for an extended period, often up to 12 months or more. Next, manufacturers meticulously craft the powdered flavor base, which is the soul of the soup's taste. This base typically consists of a blend of salts, sugars, herbs, and spices, along with flavor enhancers such as monosodium glutamate. These ingredients are finely ground into a powder, ensuring they dissolve almost instantly when hot water is added. This rapid dissolution is key to delivering a full, satisfying flavor in mere seconds. Finally, all the prepared components, the dehydrated vegetables, noodles, and the powdered flavor base, are carefully combined and sealed. This assembly often occurs in individual packets or convenient cups designed for single servings. The packaging is airtight, protecting the contents from moisture and oxygen, which could degrade quality. This meticulous process ensures that when you add hot water, everything rehydrates perfectly, delivering a delicious, ready-to-eat soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.